Coach, yun nga, 3-2 record kayo ngayon. In the past few years, bakit may ganitong energy, kagandang energy ngayon yung UAE?
Well, number one siguro, maganda yung samahan namin ng players ngayon. Walang superstar na sa amin ngayon. Even si Precious, na alam naman natin, he's the heart and soul ng team. But you can see the kid that during practice, talagang siya pa yung bumababa. Siya pa yung nag-focus sa mga players. And kahit nasa practice, alam mo nang marami siyang minutes na ginilaro dito. He doesn't want to sit down during practice. But of course, we need to kumbaga, i-save yung energy niya, and we want to avoid any injuries. So pero makikita mo talaga na everybody is willing to win, and hopefully yun nga sinasabi ko, let's be part of the history. Hopefully we bring the school to the final four.
Coach, sabi mo walang superstar pero si Jan continuously stepping up for you. Gaano ka proud na meron kang masasandal?
I'm so proud of him. Actually, I spoke to him. Last game, he had a big game against Lasal. Sinabi ko sa kanya, just be humble, and huwag masyadong mag-social media kasi baka akala natin sobrang galing na natin, di ba? We need to stay humble. Bottom line dyan, we had a big game against the champion team. We cannot afford to lose, especially this game against NU, and I give it to NU because without an import, they really play hard. Kaya lang talagang siguro kinakapo sila because of kulang sila sa player.
Ayun, Coach, speaking of Lasal, isa sa mga natalo niyo all the way sa 3-game winning streak niyo siguro. Coach, kumusta lang siguro yung atmosphere ng team? Parang after nung 0-2 start na yun, mas gumaan ba yung pakiramdam? Medyo nabawasan ba yung pressure?
Yeah, actually nakikita ko ngayon yung mga players ko na parang they're starting to realize and believing there's yung sarili nila, they can win. Actually, yan yung lagi kong sinasabi sa mga players ko na kaya niyong manalo. And if you want to be part of the elite team, kailangan natin manalo ng mga big games like this. So, I'm so happy with the players that they are responding to my challenge, and hopefully hindi kami maging satisfied by winning 3 consecutive games, and we have 2 more games, and we need to finish the first round with the winning move.
Ayun, Coach, speaking of, yung medyo maganda nga yung nilalaro ng team, at naging clear kayo dun sa goal na gusto nyo mag-Final Four. Unfortunately, yung ibang teams, yun din yung target. Siguro, namely si Adamson, na makakalaban niya next. Siguro, siguro, Coach, yung parang kinaiba para sa UE ng siguro maging term na dark horse, parang gano'n.
Yes, ang gusto ko lang makita sa mga players na hindi kami masatisfied dun sa mga big wins. Kasi yun ang mga tendency ng mga players eh. Pag nabigyan mo ng magandang laro, tendency is to relax. That's why ako nga, as a coach, I'm very strict. Inaamin ko, I'm very strict to the players, but ang bottom line naman dito, it's not for me. Para sa kanila yun and for the school. Lagi kong inaano sa mga players ko that you should protect the one written in front of you, which is the school, and the one written behind your back, which is your family name. So yun lang naman lagi kong pinapangaral sa mga yan eh. Nagiging stricto ako, but at the end of the day, it's not for me, but para sa kanila lahat yun.
Thank you.